Hi students, welcome to our audiovisual sessions. We will discuss about Brush Up Your English of Standard 5 and the chapter read today, that idioms and phrases. Students, idioms are the expressions of common phrases or sayings whose meanings cannot be understood by the individual words or elements. Now there a teacher discussed these idioms and phrases into her classes. If we go through this conversations part, we can see that Rahul, the students of the class, asked, "Ma'am, what do you mean by idioms and phrases?" Teacher, the idiomatic expressions are common phrases or sayings whose meanings cannot be understood by the individual words or elements. Please make it more clear, ma'am. Teacher, I will give you one example, then you will understand it more clearly. A bed of roses. It's a saying, a bed of roses. What do you understand? It's not so clear in our memory because all these are the phrase and it does not meaning a complete sense. The sense in it is hiding. We have to know under that. A bed of rose. Rose is a very beautiful flower, and if we go through this, a bed means where we take rest, and so it is full of roses. Means it's a very comfortable situations. So, what is the meaning of that phrase? A bed of roses means a very comfortable situations. Look at this part. Teacher, a bed of roses means a very comfortable situations. The life of a teacher cannot be said to be a bed of roses. These are the example. The life of a teacher cannot be said to be a bed of roses means a teacher's life is not very comfortable. Now you understand it? Yes, ma'am. Now I will ask you, here is the first idiom, apples of one eyes. What is the meaning of that? Meaning the dearest one. Means you are very lovable to someone. If we go for the example, we can say that his youngest son is the apple of his eyes. Means his youngest son is very dear to her. He is the dearest one. He is very lovable to her. The teacher, very good. Now the next idiom is a good for nothing fellow. What does this means? It means a useless fellow, means who does not do any proper work. According to the example, we can say that a good for nothing fellow is not liked by anyone else, means who does not do any work properly. Nobody can like him or her. Correct. The next is crocodile tears, means that false tears. Means we can see some people who always make false tears if they had very wrong ideas, very wicked ideas in their mind. Like that, the judge was not deceived by the murderer's crocodile tears. Now, ere long means shortly, means the periodical time. He will ere long start for Simla. Fall upon means to attack. The tiger fell upon the bull, means the tiger caught that bull. Got away means escaped. The thief got away with my bag, means the thief stole my bag. Good. The next one is from the cradle, means from childhood. From the cradle. Cradle means from the childhood. Hercules was strong from the cradle. Get on means to prosper or to make progress. He is getting along with well in his business. And go up, which means to rise in price, means petrol price is going up, means which is increasing day to day. Now students, you have come to know about idioms and phrases, and revise them all. You will discuss with them. So we can easily understand this. What is the meaning of that? A bed of roses and apple of one's eye, a good for nothing fellow, crocodile tears, got away from the cradle. All these are the idiomatic phrase, which known as the common phrases or saying, or whose meaning cannot be understood easily. Now I just share a screen with you where I put another more idioms like that. Out of hand. Out of hand means unmanageable, and to become chaotic means which we cannot handle properly. For an example, if your party gets out of hand, the neighbors will call the police. Hang out, to dangle from a particular place or thing. For an example, he hanged out with his friends all day yesterday. In the nick of time. So behind. Just in time. At the last moment, as in the police arrived in the nick of time. Nick of time means at that moment, exact moment. Turn a deaf ear to, refuse to listen. For an example, you can plead all the day, but he is turning a deaf ear to everyone. Hunt for, to search for. For an example, I am hunting for an extra cookie pan, but I cannot find a thing in all this mess. Ins and outs, all the details. David really knows these ins and outs of how this engine works. Keep back, to conceal. For an example, he said he was fine, but I know he was keeping something back. In bad books, in disfavor. Disfavor means whom anybody do not like. If you are in someone's bad books, they are annoyed with you. At time, at right time. Example, I can only do one thing at a time. Herculean task means tough work. A Herculean task is an extremely difficult task and almost impossible undertaking. So students, these are the things what we known as idiomatic expressions, idioms and phrases from the Brush Up chapter 1. I hope that all of you understand. We can also read it in our grammar part. So please read carefully and practice it again and again and try to memorize it with the help of the examples. Thank you.